The former head coach of the Ateneo men's basketball team, Tab Baldwin, admits he hasn't secured a work permit. The Labor Department reveals it has no record showing that Baldwin was ever issued an alien employment permit despite having worked in the Philippines for years. Micah Razon is on the phone for the details. Micah.
My former Ateneo de Manila University men's basketball coach, Tab Baldwin, has admitted that he does not have a work permit in the Philippines. During a public clarification session conducted by the Department of Labor and Employment, or DOLE, officials revealed that Baldwin's name does not appear on the list of foreign nationals issued an alien employment permit, or AEP, which is required for foreigners seeking employment in the country. Baldwin said he had previously obtained an application form for the permit but could no longer recall what happened after that. His lawyers, however, argued that Baldwin is exempt from securing an alien employment permit because he holds a permanent resident visa and an alien certificate of registration issued by the Bureau of Immigration. To clarify the matter, DOLE is set to issue a subpoena to Ateneo de Manila University along with Attorney Dong Feliciano, who allegedly advised Baldwin that he no longer needed to obtain an alien employment permit. Back to you, Mai.
So Micah, si Coach Tab has been based in the Philippines since 2013, tama ba? At ano ba ang posibleng mga kasong haharapin ni Coach Tab kapag napatunayang hindi siya naging compliant sa labor rules ng bansa?
Yes, Mai. Sabi nga ni Coach Tab kanina, may contract siya with SBP o Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas before siya mag-Ateneo, which is way before 2014, around 2014. Sabi naman ni Sec Tolentino, kung mapapatunayan na may paglabag na ginawa si Baldwin's employment laws ng ating bansa, ay maaari itong ma-deport. Pero sabi naman ni Tolentino ay ayaw niya munang pangunahan yung kakahinatnan ni Baldwin dahil gumugulong pa yung kanilang investigasyon. At sa July 9 nga ay nakatakdang magkaroon ng hearing uli, pero this time with ADMU representatives na. Mai?
Maraming salamat, Micah Razon reporting.